In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Capcut export not working. If your export keeps failing, freezing, or throwing errors, this quick setup change can make a big difference, and it only takes a minute. First, open Capcut and have the project you want to export ready. We're going to adjust a setting that affects how your computer processes video during export, which often resolves stability issues. Head to the top left of Capcut and click on the main menu. Depending on your version, this may look like a small logo or a menu icon. From there, choose Settings. This opens the app's preferences where you can control performance behavior, playback options, and more. In the Settings window, go to the Performance section. This is where Capcut controls how it uses your computer's hardware during editing and exporting. You should see an option labeled Speed Up Hardware Encoding. This setting tries to use your graphics card to accelerate exports. While that can be faster on some systems, it can also cause crashes or failed exports if there's a driver conflict or limited GPU resources. Unselect or turn off Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Don't worry, this doesn't break anything. It simply tells Capcut to use software encoding instead, which relies more on your CPU. Software encoding is more compatible across different machines and is often more stable for exporting, especially if your GPU is busy with other tasks or not fully supported. The trade-off is that exports may take a bit longer, but they're far more likely to complete successfully. Now save your changes. Once that's done, let's try exporting again. Go back to the menu, choose File, and then select Export. Pick your usual format and settings and start the export. Keep in mind that with hardware acceleration turned off, the progress bar may move a little slower than you're used to. That's normal and expected. What you're looking for is a smooth, uninterrupted export that finishes without errors. If the export completes, you've confirmed the issue was related to hardware encoding. You can leave the setting off for reliable exports going forward. And if you ever want to test your system again, you can return to the same setting and toggle it back on, but most people prefer the stability of having it off. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.